Okay, we're going to go over how to list manually. I know Rhoda had done this before, and it's a little harder than Hydra. The reason we're doing it is because this site here does not go with Hydra. I'm pretty sure it doesn't. So this is how we're going to list these things, and this is why we're going to list these things. I shall show you. Here is a product on there. After we take the coupon, which they're everywhere, this thing we're getting for $34.98, no shipping. All right, and then on eBay, this thing just sold on. Actually, this is sold 7 times for $48.95. So we can do this. We can make this work, and this is why I'm doing it. Also, look at this cashback. I don't think we remember some of these, but huge cashback. We can make profit on this all day long. So here's how you do it. You go to sell. And then you go to Great Listing, Single Listing. And then here, we're going to go ahead with, I don't think this has UPC codes here. If I'm not mistaken, I don't think they do. Look. Oops. Let's see. Don't believe there's UPCs here. No. So let's go with the title. Hopefully we'll find what we need. Alright, back to create the listing. So we'll put that here. I don't need this stuff. Get started. Okay, so what we're looking at is making sure that we're in the right category. So in order to do that, we're going to look at the one that's sold and make sure that we're in the same health and beauty, massages. So that's good. So now the title. Just like with our normal listings, the title is very important. I think Adam and Eve is an important enough brand name that we're going to want to put it in, but not in the front. Adult toys, you can probably put in all of these. Let me see if there's anything else in the category in eBay that we need. Here we go. No, where is that? I think I lost it. Here we go. Health and beauty, massages. So, yeah, let's put massage in here. We got 20 characters left. We want to get this down to, 3 characters left or less. So, what we want to do then is look at the title these guys had. USB rechargeable. We'll want to put that in there. And then full body, we'll want to put that in there. Get rid of and. Probably massage we don't need. Okay, I only got 5 left, so that's probably good enough. Alright, store categories. I don't know if we have this. Maybe we do. We want to fill that out. We do, actually. UPC. They're probably going to ask for a UPC. I don't see one here. Let me look. Pause this for a second.